Hi, I'm Wesley Didier. I'm currently with the Fraser Métis Nation. My family is from Saskatchewan, Métis, and I'm here studying a PhD in zoology. My current research focuses on the ooligan, which is an important fish for First Nations. The fish has been declining in recent years along with the salmon, and what we're hoping to do is identify where these fish live, what they eat, and then get at the question of what's making the fish disappear. Hopefully we can find out something that we can actually react to so that these stocks can be rebuilt and this important resource can be used for generations to come. I came to UBC for graduate studies because I was interested in doing something a little higher on education. I had originally started out in the Faculty of Science, got a bachelor's degree, and then moved into education and taught for several years up north in northern communities that were mainly Métis and First Nations. But I found it unsatisfying as far as growth personally, and my impact was very limited to just the few people I could work with. Undergraduate students, what I would recommend if you're interested in pursuing research in science is first look at what are the technical fields in research. So if you can pick up a technical degree in fish culture or something that will allow you to work in the industry first is a good step. It'll give you experience and a way to make money. If you're going into nursing, you might want to learn how to take blood, how to do samples, and start working in a blood laboratory. Then when you move to UBC, you can use that experience. Also, it's really important to find a mentor. So you need to go seek out a professor that's doing research that you think you'd like, and you can go to their websites to see what they're doing. My biggest challenge as a graduate student is funding, and I think that's a common story. The myth is that if you're First Nations, money comes easy, it's free to go to university, there's lots of scholarships. The truth is, I've had a lot of trouble getting scholarships. My community does not have money for higher education. They can do some technical training, but not anything beyond the first year or two of a bachelor's. So I've had to work outside the university to support myself, and I'm now learning through David Close how to develop project proposals so that I can sell these proposals to communities and to research institutions and to industries so that I can then get funding, bring it back to the university, and we can do the research that we're interested in. And that is really why it's so important to make the relationships. I think I'll have global impact with my research because what it's looking like is there are changes in the Strait of Georgia that may be related either to global warming or just direct industrial use of our water systems.